Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome to your English lesson for today. In today's lesson, you are going to be learning about creative writing. You will be writing a paragraph. These are your key vocabulary, but before we do this, I would like to remind you that there are a lot of fun videos and a lot of fun optional activities that you can do in this PowerPoint. Now let's get started with today's key vocabulary. I want you to try and say the words with me, please. Sentence, capital letter, full stop, question mark, exclamation mark, and finger space. Amazing, good job! At the end of today's lesson, you are going to demonstrate how to write a full sentence, which means that you will write a full sentence and then you will identify how to combine sentences to make a paragraph. So when you are done writing your sentences, you are going to put them together to make a short story, and that is what a paragraph is. Now let's get started. Creative writing. It's time to write a new paragraph. I am so excited to see what you write. Now, what is a paragraph? Who knows? Amazing! A paragraph is kind of like a group of friends. Paragraphs are groups as well, but they are sentences that share a common idea. So you will look at a topic, you will write a lot of sentences about it. You will then put the sentences together and then you will have a paragraph. Now it means that all the sentences are about one topic. Like I said, you will look at the topic, you will write your sentences, and then you will put your sentences together to make a paragraph. These are the steps that you need to follow to write a paragraph. You will look at the picture or read the topic. You will then ask yourself the 5 W's and 1 H. You will write the sentences down by answering the questions that I give you, and then you will put the sentences together. Now, if you would like to go over these steps one more time, you can always go back in the video and listen to it again. These are your 5 W's and 1 H. Don't forget, they are who, what, where, when, why, and how. Now I want you to say it with me. Who, what, where, when, why, and how. Amazing, good job. Now before we move to our topic, let's revise the grammar rules of writing a sentence. Now this is how you write a sentence. What does a sentence always begin with? Amazing, good job. It will always start with a capital letter. Good job. What do we do next? Amazing, we leave a finger space. And what do we do last? That's right, we have to end the sentence with the correct punctuation. A full stop, a question mark, or an exclamation mark. Now let us look at the picture and our topic today. Today's topic is my favorite pet. Now I want you to please get a piece of paper and a pencil and you are going to write down some fun sentences for me. Remember, I will ask each question and you will write your own sentence. If you need extra time to write your sentence, you can always pause the video. So don't forget, you saw the topic, which is my favorite pet. Now you are going to ask yourself these questions, the 5 W's and 1 H. Why, what, where, when, who, and how. Now the first question, what is your favorite pet? I want you to please write a full sentence. You can always pause the video to give yourself extra time to write your sentence. Amazing work. Good job. You can start your sentence by saying, my favorite pet is a, and you can finish the sentence. Don't forget to start with a capital letter, to leave your finger space, and to end with the correct punctuation mark. The next question, who gave it to you? My, Now I'm going to give you time to write your sentence. Remember, you can always pause the video. Where and when? You can ask yourself many questions such as, when did you get your favorite pet? When do you play with it? Or where do you play with it? So you can choose one of the 3 questions and you can answer it on a piece of paper. Remember to pause the video to give yourself time to write out your whole sentence. Now the next question, why? Remember, you're going to only choose one of the questions that you are going to answer. Why do you like playing with it? Why did your parents give it to you? Or why is it your favorite pet? Remember, you are going to answer only one of the questions and you are going to write it down. I will give you time. You can pause the video so you can give yourself extra time to write your sentence. Now we are going to ask ourselves how. Remember to choose only one question. How does your pet look? Or how do you play with your pet? So I will give you time to write down your answer. Amazing work. Good job. Now, these are the sentences that I wrote. I answered some of the questions that were asked at the beginning of this lesson, and then I put my sentences together to make a paragraph. Now, this is my short story. My favorite pet is my cat. It is gray and white. My parents gave it to me. My cat is very cute. I love my cat because we have a lot of fun together. Now, I want to see how creative you can be, and I want to see your sentences. But please don't forget, you need to keep this paper very, very safe because you are going to be using it in the next lesson. Now, I am so proud of you and well done for today's lesson. I will see you in the next one, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.